Dahil may bago na naman tayong music na nagawa, I want to share with you guys the most common techniques that I used in almost all of my compositions. And yun yung pinaka-foundation ng music ko. No? Everything, basta lahat ng composition ko. Just those five techniques. Yun yung pinaka-ginagamit ko. Number 1 is motif-based composition. So, I am a motif-based composer. Ibig sabihin, sa lahat ng aking mga composition, I am using motifs. Ibig sabihin ng motifs, yun yung musical phrase or yung pinakasimpleng melody. Napakaikling melody lang na dun ko binebase yung buong composition. Pinapaulit-ulit ko lang yung melody na yon at binabago ng konti all throughout the composition. So for example, right off the bat, in this composition, this section is playing the melody with little changes dun sa second part. Pangalawang technique is layering of instruments. So, minsan, I just use one instrument to play a particular section of the music, and that is the melody. But in most cases, especially sa mga section na kailangan ng tension and full of emotions, I use different types of instruments that just play the same melody para makadagdag lang dun sa rich sound. Pangatlo ay ang dynamics. So, this is more on the technical side of composition. So, basically, ang dynamics, it tells you how loud or how soft the notes should be playing. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng buong music ay magkakapareha sila ng lakas and volume. So, dynamics is also considered the secret sauce for pretty much everyone's composition sa mga composers. Dynamics yung bumubuhay ng isang composition, because it also defines the emotion of the music. Pang-apat ay ang harmony. So, I am a huge fan of harmony, especially sa mga melodies ko. Yung mga chords na ginagamit ko is also a form of harmony. But what I love to do with my melodies is to add a layer of harmony para hindi siya plain. No? So, yung main melody, may patong siya ng isang pang melody, pero that is just playing the harmony of the melody. Gets nyo ba? Basta yun. Para siyang second voice sa vocals. And lastly, modulation. Sa lahat siguro ng mga compositions ko, if napapansin nyo, there's a lot of malikot yung chords. So, I love to change chords from time to time, especially sa mga ganitong klase ng composition, sa ganitong klase ng music. Of course, hindi ko naman masyadong gagawin yun sa pop and ballad. Although, I would add surprising key changes from time to time para magmukhang emotional journey, parang magmukhang journey, progressive yung music. Hindi siya flat lang na the traditional music like verse, chorus, na they're pretty much just playing the same chords. So those are the 5 techniques that I commonly use in all of my compositions. That is also backed up by theory. So next time na natin pag-usapan yung theory, guys. If you have not listened to the music yet, yung bago, ito, hanapin nyo na lang sa content.